you invest in something that's superior when it's generally lower. And normally it's generally lower when people are scared, when there's a lot of uncertainty around. That's what's going on right now. Or if you're the type of person who's more conservative, what's nice about VULs is it gives you also the ability to position into bonds, which are generally less volatile. They are for people who have a low risk type of profile. Let's talk about manifesting your dreams, manifesting your goals. How can you win in spite of what's happening, all of the uncertainty that's going on in the macro economy? And before I share more about investing and how you can save and how you can protect your future, in my opinion, one of the best ways for you to be able to thrive, not just survive in everything that's going on right now, is just to work hard. You may not be the smartest, you may not be the richest, you may not be the person that doesn't have a lot of connections, but you can overcompensate with hard work. There's no secret to thriving. There's no secret to success. It's something that you must work hard for. People who work hard, people who hustle hard, have the ability to manifest their dreams. As you start to work hard, eventually, it will bring you into a position where you could actually earn more, regardless of where the economy is. And as you start to earn more as a product of your hard work, to deploy your capital into three things. Number one, for saving. Number two, for investing. Number three, for protection. These three things will help you manifest your goals, your dreams, your desires, even when the economic conditions are uncertain. Please do remember this. We don't know what will happen in the macro, but we can control how we save, how we invest, and how we protect our finances. So focus on the things that you can control, how you save, how you invest, and how you protect your finances versus the things that you cannot control. So you may want to ask also that, okay, I'm employed, I have a business, I'm a lawyer, I'm an architect, I'm an accountant, I'm a doctor, I'm doing well with my job. What can I do to be able to merge everything, where I get to save, where I get to invest, where I also get to protect myself? One asset class that allows you to do that are variable unit linked insurance. For those who don't know what variable unit linked insurances are, or VULs, this gives you the ability to have investments. When you deploy your capital, it allows you to have exposure in either the stock market or the bond market, that when the market is down also, prices are lower, it allows you to stack and buy and have positions. When everything is scary, you get to buy things at a lower price. As you get to position, as you all know, the entire narrative in investing is that you invest in something that's superior when it's generally lower. And normally it's generally lower when people are scared, when there's a lot of uncertainty around. That's what's going on right now. Or if you're the type of person who's more conservative, what's nice about VULs is it gives you also the ability to position into bonds, which are generally less volatile. They are for people who have a low risk type of profile. So if you want the best of both worlds, they also have a balanced fund which gives fund managers the ability to be able to have wiggle room where to invest either in stocks, which are more volatile, or in bonds. So you can actually have the ability to be able to invest in stocks and bonds and actually have them combined and have a fund manager to be able to manage the investments on your behalf. It's not just something that gives you an investment, but it's also something that gives you protection. The investments will help you reach your goals, but there are a lot of things that we can't foresee in life. There are a lot of things that we can't control. Should untoward incidents like death or accidents would happen, what's nice about VULs is your family, your dreams will live on because of the protection / life insurance component that it actually has. So what I'm saying is this: VULs give you the ability to make your money grow, whether you are very, very strong, you have the capacity to earn, but in the same way, should that capacity to earn get hit, the life insurance component will help your family and allow your dreams to manifest should there be untoward incidents that happen in between. And that's what I like about VULs. It's a product, it's an investment that works for people who want something that's hybrid already, who just want to have an investment that they don't want to maintain multiple investments. They just want to have one asset class that gives them already exposure to stocks, bonds, and also have life insurance protection on top of it. Now, that being said, if you're not really a financial person and you want to know more of the nitty-gritty attached to it, you can contact an FWD financial advisor. I'll put links in the description below for those who want to be able to do that. But I did a meeting with a financial advisor, then she asked me about my goals, what targets do I want to hit, what are the things that I need to be protected. It's something that's highly important also if you want to streamline your investments based on the goals that you want to make. It was a good and fun moment also where I got interviewed and I got to share all of my plans and my dreams and my goals and how I also want to invest and my targets also attached to it. So from there, the financial advisor was able to give me my very, very own unique structured VUL customized to my age, customized to my lifestyle, customized to my goals, customized to what I actually want. Before I go to the VUL plan that was proposed to me, for those who don't know who FWD is, FWD Life Insurance launched its commercial operations in September 2014. As of the end of 2021, FWD Life Insurance ranks 3rd and 5th in terms of paid-up capital and total premium income respectively. FWD Group is a pan-Asian life insurance business with approximately 10 million customers across 10 markets, including some of the fastest growing insurance markets in the world. In the Philippines, FWD has 18 business hubs located in key cities nationwide, with its headquarters in Bonifacio Global City in Taguig. Established in 2013, FWD is focused on making the insurance journey simpler, faster, and smoother with innovative propositions, easy to understand products supported by digital technology. Through its customer-led approach, FWD is committed to changing the way people feel about insurance. FWD is present in Hong Kong, Macau, Thailand, Indonesia, Philippines, Singapore, Vietnam, Japan, Malaysia, and Cambodia. So here are the things that stand out for me for FWD Manifest. They have a loyalty bonus. What's interesting about the loyalty bonus is that you get a non-guaranteed cash reward on the 10th year of your policy, plus you have it recurring thereafter every 5 years. So the longer you actually hold, you actually have the ability to get more returns via the loyalty bonus that you actually have. So please do note that this is on top of what you can actually get from the capital appreciation that you would get from the equity funds or the balance funds that you have, and even the life insurance protection that's already attached to it. You get rewarded via the loyalty bonus just for holding longer. But not just that, they also have a startup bonus. You get rewarded for giving your wealth more time to grow. Up to 30% of your basic annual premium will be invested on the first policy year and added to your account value in the 5th and 10th year. People always talk about insurance products as a life insurance product, but what's interesting about this is that the startup bonus gives preference so that you actually put in more to your investment also at the start, and it will be added to your account value on the 5th and 10th year. You still get the best of both worlds, saving, investments, and protection, but this one gives a greater emphasis also on you having more bang for your buck, that you get more money into that investment component of the VUL. Then the third thing that's so interesting about it is its premium extension bonus. It gives you an additional 2% invested in your account for just continuing your premium payments after the required period. So not only that you get compensated via the loyalty bonus for holding for a long period of time, in this way also you get compensated just by continually investing more. So investing is all about building a base, making it larger, and creating a large amount of volume in your investments. So it's very, very prudent to stack. It's very, very prudent to add. But FWD Manifest, the entire VUL is structured in a way that incentivizes you. If you are the type of person that wants to continually add, wants to continually build a base, you're not just doing it on your own because you get compensated by the extra 2% via the premium extension bonus. Another one that's so interesting about the FWD Manifest is the investor protection bonus. I mentioned that we cannot control the markets. We don't know where the Philippine Stock Exchange Index will be over the next 7 years, over the next 14 years, over the next 21 years. But what's interesting about FWD Manifest is this. Part of the plan is that your loyalty bonus will be doubled if the PSEI is lower compared to its price 5 years ago. So meaning if you invest and the PSEI, for example, is at 6,000 today, 5 years after, it's at 5,900, 5,800, meaning it's actually lower, your loyalty bonus will be doubled. So this plan is structured in a way that allows you to somehow get compensated or get something additional if the market is not as favorable after 5 years. Another one that I find interesting about FWD Manifest is that they have a guaranteed milestone increase. What does that mean? Just in case something changes in your life, a very, very big milestone, like for me, my wife just gave birth, so I'm a father, I have a child. This is a new milestone on my behalf. You get additional perks from a new milestone in your life. You get a one-time, pre-approved 20% benefit amount increase up to a maximum of 2 million pesos. They also have accident coverage. You get an additional cash benefit should you pass away due to accident before the age of 75 years old. Your beneficiaries will get 3 times the benefit if it happens on a covered Philippine holiday. Lastly, one of the things that's so interesting about it is that FWD will waive future premiums should you be unable to pay due to major illness, permanent disability, or death. To sum it all up, FWD Manifest is an insurance plan that protects you and your investment and rewards you for investing more for longer periods. Because success does not happen overnight, but over time, FWD Manifest helps you manifest your dreams with more confidence and less worries. FWD Manifest also is a strong life protection and a smart wealth investment. And being able to grow your wealth will help you secure a good life, have a better financial future, and celebrate living with important people around you. If you guys want to learn more about FWD and FWD Manifest and discuss this with a financial advisor like what I actually did, I'll put links in the description below on how you can go to their website, fwd.com.ph, or their other social links, or to be able to book a meeting with a financial advisor. Everything will be down below. But if you guys have any questions about insurance, about VUL, about FWD Manifest, feel free to put it in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to be able to answer your questions, to give you more clarity, because at the end of the day, the goal of all of this is to be able to give you as much information so you get to make the right decisions with your investment and with your money. And you can never go wrong if you take the time to study. You can never go wrong if you take the time to learn. You can never go wrong if your goal of investing and saving and protecting yourself is for you to be able to hit your goals of financial freedom, because it's never about get rich quick. It's about get rich right. And get rich right is you loving the process. Get rich right is you don't mind if it's slow. It's you building the skills, building the acumen, and building the experience while all of this is happening. And I highly implore you, I highly encourage you, the way for you to manifest your dreams in the future, the way for you to manifest your goals is to act on it today, is for you to execute today, is to do the things that you need to do right now when everyone's scared, when times are uncertain, when people don't know what's happening. The way you get to manifest it is to do the work right here, right now. Start deploying capital, start studying, start saving, and start investing. So I hope you guys got a lot from this. This is Marvin Germo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, and God bless you all.